Are you in need of converting documents into PDF format? Introducing SysTools Document Converter Tool. Best tool to convert 40+ document file types to PDF format. Key features of the software. Document Converter Tool convert Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other files to PDF format. Document Converter Tool provides multiple setting options to customize output file with header-footer setting, page layout, font settings, base number and date stamp. Software provides two options to add document file, add files or add folder. This expert tool can convert password-protected documents. To download the software, go to Google and search SysTools Document Converter Tool. Click on the link that appears in the search results. Then click on the download button. Now install and run the software. The first window will appear of the software. Software has user-friendly interface. You will see two options to add files or add folders. Select any one as per your requirement. Select a folder that contains multiple document files. If you have added unwanted files into the software, then you can remove that files by clicking on Remove or Remove All option. If any of the added files are encrypted with a password, then users can add the password in the password section to help the software process it for further viewing. Now click on Next button. You can preview all the added files. Click on any file, and see the file preview right side of the pane. Now, click on Next button. In header and footer settings, check the header box. In text option, type what you want to appear in header. By default, header position will be top middle. In footer section, check footer, and type text and select position which you want to appear. In page layout setting, you can set margins from top, bottom, left and right as per your requirement. In paper layout, set paper orientation portrait or landscape. Select paper size. In font settings, choose font size and font color. Base number format, start number, increment by and set position. In date stamp, select position and date format. If you want to add a password to one file or all files at once, then check the box Add Password on Output PDF files. Now browse the destination location, click on Change button. Select a folder to save the resulting files. At last, click on Export button to start the conversion process. Tool will start the conversion process. After completing process, Export process completed successfully pops up. Click on OK, and you will see the conversion status, total file count, success file count and failed file count. Now click on View Report button to go to the destination folder and view the generated PDF files. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail in purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.